Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can start Visual Studio Code. So first of all, go onto your search menu and just type in Visual Studio Code and open up the app. Next thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on open folder. Now over here you can create a new folder and give it a name and then click on select folder. Now you're gonna click on yes, I trust the authors. Now next thing what you need to do is you need to create a new file, and as you can see I have made a new file over here, and this is where I can now code. This is how you can start up Visual Studio Code and make a file and create a folder where you can work in. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out. And for further videos like this, just comment down on what you guys would want to watch next in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.